Earning money has been a chore, jobs are hard to find, and maybe some of them pay less. And maybe you want to be earning money in a much simpler way. Be your own boss and earn more money than your usual 9-to-5 job. If that's what you want, you are in the right place. You don't need any technical skills, professional equipment, just you, internet, and your phone. When I had just found out about this method, I was pretty skeptical, I'm not gonna lie. But as time passed, I was just in awe. Earning money online has never been so enticing. Just look at how much you could possibly get in a day. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate income by the hundreds just by using only these apps that I'll be showing you. You heard that right, you can earn up to $750 an hour using this method that I'll show you guys. That's why I'm asking you guys to stick around until the end of the video so you can see what we did step by step and so that you won't miss out on anything important. But before we start, welcome to where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now the first method and app that I want to show you guys is called AdWallet. Now AdWallet is a get paid to app that pays you to watch ads and participate in other tasks where you get paid. AdWallet's main source of revenue is the advertisements that they platform on the app. To earn money, all you have to do is simply watch the ads that they provide. Yes, you just have to watch video ads to earn some cash. You can watch an ad on AdWallet in two ways. To start, I want you to go to their website at adwallet.com and go ahead and log in to see all of the available ads that you can watch. But if you do not have an account, make sure to sign up on their website first in order to access the ads. It's free, easy, and it's available anywhere in the world. So wherever you are, you can enjoy AdWallet's service and earn some cash. Once you're logged in, whenever there's an ad available for you to watch, AdWallet will send you a text message with a link to watch the ad if you provided them with your mobile number. You can simply click the link and watch the ad. After that, you'll have to answer a few quick questions. This is done so that you can prove that you are paying attention to the advertisement that you are watching. After you've completed the short questionnaire, you'll be paid around 50 cents. This is the fixed amount that you'll get paid for each ad you see regardless of how long it lasts. However, if the ad asks you to do other things, like share to other social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter, you can make more money. You can also earn through AdWallet referrals. You can simply share your invite link with the person you wish to invite to earn money from their referral program. You will receive $1 after the person you invited registers up for the site. Now that you know how they work, how can you cash out your earnings? There is a $10 minimum threshold before you cash out your earnings. But once you hit the minimum amount, you can then choose to withdraw your earnings via direct bank transfer, or you can convert it to Amazon or Target gift cards. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the next app on our list, it's Cash Karma. Cash Karma is a platform where you can earn points for answering surveys and performing other small tasks online. Now Cash Karma is an app on both Android and iOS devices, and it's an app that has over 1 million downloads with a positive rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars on Google Play Store alone, which I think is proof enough that this platform is just great. Earning money on Cash Karma is mostly about accumulating points on this platform by completing different kinds of surveys. You may also earn points by signing up for offers, viewing videos, earning location rewards, and like the previous app, you are able to earn by referring your friends to download the app. The Cash Karma app is available for download on iOS phones and iPad devices and Android smartphones, and it's free to download on both. To begin earning points, you must first create a free account as well as a username and password to sign up. If you're using Cash Karma on iOS, you'll need to enable tracking info for fraud prevention and to track rewards so you know that this app is legit. And once you log in, you will instantly get 300 points for free. Surveys are viewable instantly on the home screen. The majority of surveys are simply a couple of minutes long and you can earn up to 200 points. The top left corner of the webpage displays the total amount of points that you have acquired. Points can also be earned through promotions. These provide more points, typically around 400 or more, but they usually require a combination of longer surveys, sometimes installing a specific app and then writing a review for that app. The platform also offers what is called reward levels, which allows it to reward regular users with higher point benefits, All you have to do to progress is continue using the app on a regular basis. The cash out for Cash Karma is that you can convert your Karma points into PayPal money or gift cards. The minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal payments is $10, which is equal to 13,500 Karma points. For gift cards, you have a choice of 50 plus retailers, including Amazon, Starbucks, Walmart, etc. They also have other gift cards such as Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and Starbucks vouchers for a minimum of 11,000 Karma points for $10 worth of gift cards. The next app that I'll show you is called Get Paid To, and you can join and register an account for free on this website. Simply click the big Join Free Today button on the Get Paid To homepage over here. It will then bring you to another page where you can simply provide your name, password, birthday, and country information. And don't worry, this website is accessible from anywhere around the globe, so don't worry about geographical restrictions. After that, clear the CAPTCHA at the bottom to confirm that you're not a bot and you should be ready to go. Once you've created an account, you'll notice here on the homepage that there are a lot of game options to pick from, and you can make as much as $2 to $3 per game, which is pretty cool, right? Some games will pay you more money while others will pay you less. And as of the recording of this video, the highest paying game is this one called Football Tricks, so make sure to check it out. However, if you prefer to play other games, you may do so. You will still earn money in some way. You can also earn points by participating in other surveys. There are a variety of high-paying surveys available. When you finish the survey, you will receive the promised reward, which you will see when you view all of the available surveys. Cashing out your earnings and Get Paid To can be done in many ways. Direct bank transfer, Skrill, or PayPal are all options for converting points to cash. You can also exchange your points for Amazon gift cards. The number of points needed to redeem a reward is determined by the prize you select. You'll need 25,000 points, which is equal to $5 for direct bank transfers and PayPal withdrawals. For the other reward categories, you simply need 5,000 points to get $1. Now once you can combine and juggle between these three methods, it is possible that you can earn up to $750. Doing one of these is easy breezy. 3 of them altogether is no biggie. And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.
السلام عليكم.